Hello, once again, this is Jonah. Welcome to part 2 of this video. Why does it take so long to file an annulment case? After the party is over, it's time to go back to reality. What do I mean by this? Paperwork! So, here are the other paperwork that you have to do. First, you have to get the certificate of finality of the decision. You also have to get a certificate of authenticity from the court saying that your decision is an authentic decision. Now, in my case, I really took it upon myself to bring the certificate of authenticity, certificate of finality, and the copy of the decision over to the civil registry myself. I don't want all my hard-earned papers get lost in a mountain of paperwork of everybody else's annulment papers. Had I been married in the same city, like in Bacolod where I filed the petition, it would have been easier because I would only have to deal with the civil registry of Bacolod City. But then, I was married in the Guban City. That means I would have to go to the Guban City to really make sure that my marriage certificate would be cancelled. I mean, I could also mail the papers to them, but I wouldn't want to take the chance for my papers to get lost. So I traveled from Bacolod City all the way to the Guban City. That's not the end of it yet. I have to prepare my papers to be really certain. I could not remember all the requirements, but if you are married somewhere else and you had to bring your papers over there, try to ask your city civil registry of all the requirements before taking your papers there. So I got a lot of certifications, had my papers signed, got my certified photocopy of whatever marriage certificate in my local civil register. Then I had to call the Guban City Civil Register so that by the time that I showed up in their office, they would already know. So I traveled to the Guban City and went to the City Civil Register's office to have my marriage certificate cancelled. Upon examining all your papers, they will have to issue a certification and print all the details of your petition, the decision of the judge. Then they will have to forward it to the Philippine Statistics Authority for the final recording of your marriage certificate, so that whenever you look up your marriage certificate, the annotation that the same has been cancelled will appear. Two things that I could do: either I bring the paper personally and go to the head office at Quezon City, or just mail it from the Guban City. So far, all has been well. I decided that mailing the papers would be safe enough from them. So I mailed all my papers to the Philippine Statistics Office in Quezon City and waited for 45 days or even more. I didn't care anymore. They also gave me a website and a password if I want to get to know online the status of my marriage certificate in their registry. But I'm okay with that. After waiting for a few more months, there I get it. My marriage certificate has been cancelled. And now it's time for me to change my name. All my IDs, I have to present that piece of paper, which I have worked so hard to get that paper. So I went to all these offices, the SSS, the GSIS, Pag-ibig, PhilHealth, even my head office, and even my passport. I had to wait for my passport to expire so that when I renew it, I could already change my name. It's all well worth the wait and all that trouble. I'm a free woman. Yes. So hooray, hooray! Another moment of joy when you go back officially to your maiden name. Congratulations, me. That's a job well done. You can do it too. So I hope you find this vlog helpful, and if you like it, please do put a thumbs up, comment, and also subscribe to my channel for more. This is Jonah saying there is always life and love at the end of a broken marriage.